going to pick up my grandma to go to the store.
Hold on! What's going on? Oh.
Here, Grandma. Say hi.
Hi.
Here's your wheelchair, Grandma.
Okay. Come help your grandma out. She needs help.
Come on. It's okay.
Oh, that's pretty comfortable.
Okay, Grandma. We'll go take care of your walker. Then we'll...
Put this to the car wash. God, make me drool all over myself. Oh, you damn dog! I can't go on my own! Better hurry up, because I'm in a hurry.
Where do you need to go, Grandma?
I need to go to pick up my drugs.
Alright, we're gonna go right now.
All my weed, my cocaine. Oh!
Hang on, Grandma!
I went faster back in my demolition derby days.
Hang on, Grandma! Are you okay, Grandma? Oh my God! Oh my God, Grandma!
Oh, wait up. Right there. No,
You broke my hand, but that just means I get more drugs. Alright, let's go. Alright.
This fell over again.
Maybe
Wonder what wheel that broke.
We're gonna go? That way?
Yeah, Grandma, shut up!
Okay.
You ready, Grandma?
Yeah. You fixed my chair! God damn it! Get it fixed! Okay. Goodbye. I'm out of here. Goodbye. Oh, I can walk.